Hey everyone, welcome back to Master None Garage. Today is the day. Finally, gonna do the rear of the car. I already have it taped out. And I got some extreme angled tape lines. And it only is gonna go to about there to match the front up there. And then I'm gonna continue the line right here. So when people get out of the back door, they cut open their pants on the sharp edges. It'll be fun. So yeah, let's just get into it.
Come on.
Yeah.
All right, I'm sitting down just so I'm at the level of what I'm going to be working on. And this is the level. So, first, what I'm probably going to do is cut right on the inside of this wheel well. And I will cut later, once we get the quarter off, I'll cut right here and extend it, but that'll come later. This might be a few weekends in the making, so might be like a 2 or 3 parter, because this is way more intensive than the front fenders, but I'm gonna do my best to get her done. And then we'll start cutting the exterior and inside the door jamb, where I've laid out a tape line as well, and I'll show you that. It's weird the way I have it, but I have these arrows to guide me. Anyways, coming from here, transition into here, and then we're on the outside of this tape line, and we're going all the way in. We're going around this because that lock mechanism isn't going to move. We're actually going to widen the fender as much as it needs. I have a plan for that. It involves 2 other doors. Yeah, we're gonna come down here and we're gonna stop right down here and come straight across, connecting to the inside. And then the back, we got this extreme angled deal. There's a reason for that. I plan on putting NASCAR style spoiler that follows this line, so it'll make all the sense, as much sense as it can make. I mean, who would widen a 4-door Supernatural 67 Chevy? People usually just do all the body work, paint them black, throw trailer wheels on them. Yeah, I'm gonna get into it. Cutting. All right, got the fender cut off, got the wheel well, the front part of the wheel well cut off, and got the tire on the car. Now, I thought these were gonna sit lower. I thought the car was a whole lot lower. I don't know, it's just weird because I guess there's no quarter panel there anymore. So it's looking like I'm not gonna be able to shut the doors for now once we widen this, but I'm going to clean up all the metal. I'm going to cut off some of that round bar and start welding them like we did the front fenders, just so we can place this quarter panel kind of where we want it. And then I'll weld it on there and then see how she looks. And then I can get some new rear doors, and I have a plan for well, not new. I get some old scrap spare rear doors. I got a plan how I'm gonna make all this work. So the rear doors will shut and it will look almost like a factory wide body. So I'm gonna clean up the metal, weld on some round bar, and you know the rest. You've seen it last week, the week before, a couple weeks ago. The first 2 videos. If you haven't watched them, go watch them and leave a comment down in the bottom, because comments help. Yeah. Also, over 550 subscribers. Actually, 556 subscribers. Jumped 50 subs in a little over a week, maybe under a week. That's amazing. So I appreciate the support, and yeah, go ahead and comment, subscribe, and like the video and share the video. That'd be great. All right, and we are done for today, but I'm going to show you what the end product is first. And it's just, I love it. Like last time, I could look at this for another hour, but I gotta go. So anyways, without further ado, here's what it looks like. Damn, boy, he's thick. It's so good. I love the way that it looks from the back. Now the front, still got to widen this door, but we didn't really bring it out all that much. You can see in there we got plenty of room for the tire, about 1.5 fingers. I still got to tub the inner wheel wells. And this, the front, I want to go over this. I'm bringing this top piece in to where it matches that top piece, and this will come in too. Bottom will probably come in a little bit. We're gonna bring all these in, probably gonna bring these in a little bit, and we're gonna cut that inner fender off. I don't know if you can see it. We're gonna cut that lip off, same way we did the back quarter panel. So lots to come. It's slow going since I'm not at my own house or shop or anything like that. It's slow going, so but this thing is so sick. I love it. I might even bring the spoiler into this and then come up. We'll see how that goes. But I want to shout out my buddy. There he is. He's playing with a cat.
Yeah, playing with a cat.
So go over and subscribe to
Mopars, Mustangs, and minivans.
So if you've arrived at the end of this video, you're probably loyal. So go subscribe to his stuff. There's a mystery going on his channel right now. Some ducks are appearing, tiny ducks.
Show him that one. They're coming. I don't know where they're coming from.
So these tiny ducks are just appearing. They're really, really tiny. And they're appearing everywhere.
Out of nowhere. Don't know where.
Like there's one. I guess there was one in the fridge.
Yeah, there's one in the fridge somewhere.
There's one in their bus.
3 actually.
3 in the bus.
We found another one somewhere.
And
we don't know where they're coming from.
Yeah, I don't know. We think it's his mom.
She's playing a real good game.
And she's playing it straight faced.
Very well.
Like she's mad that we're accusing her. That's how good she is.
I don't know, man. I really wish I knew where they were coming from.
Yeah. So, anyways, go subscribe to his stuff. He's got all sorts of cool, like,
mini bikes, mini buses, mini vans, mini anything.
Yeah. Mustangs. He's got a Dodge Dart, so that's cool.
That thing.
That white Dodge Dart over there. It's a 4 door, just like the Caprice.
4 doors. Yep.
So yeah, thanks for sticking in to the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. I don't know if I'm going to film the other side, but you know, we'll play it by ear. Still got to do the doors and fix the front. But till next time, hope you enjoyed today's episode, and goodbye.